Paneer, one of the most common dishes in Indian homes. It is the base for many sweet and savory recipes, and it needs only two ingredients to whip some up from scratch. In a pot, add a liter of milk. Occasionally stir to avoid the milk sticking to the bottom of the pot. Bring it to a boil and reduce the flame to low. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and gently mix the milk until it starts to curdle. Once the whey has separated from the curd, take it off the flame and pour the content of the pot directly onto a sieve covered with a malmal or a cheesecloth. Whey is packed with nutrition, so it can be used to knead dough or cook vegetables. Use lukewarm or water stored at room temperature to gently rinse the flavor of lemon juice from the curd. Once done, squeeze the curd to get rid of the excess water. Cover the curd with a cloth and press it down evenly. Once you have packed the curd in firmly from all the sides, use a plate to further push down the curd against the sieve and place a block of weight over it. Leave it to set for an hour or two. This process will not only remove the excess water but also compress the curd into a block of paneer. Paneer will keep in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. You can store it in a bowl filled with water or in an airtight container. And that's how simple it is to make paneer at home. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot when you do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.